Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco in a Badlands trim with a two-door configuration and powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with a 7-speed manual transmission, coming with the modular steel bumper up front that you can buy a lot of aftermarket stuff for. You've got rock sliders down below to give you some more armor. You have a hard top, and then taking a look around the back, and at the tailgate that opens up to the side, and the upper window that opens up like so, giving you easy access to your back cargo area and back seat. You've got these tie-down points with little lassos on them. You've got a 12-volt power outlet right there, and underneath here you have your jack as well as spare parts or equipment area. Then looking into the back seat, where you do have seating for two with a leather and vinyl interior. They get their own cup holders, which is nice too. And the backs of the front seats have sort of molly rigging here that you can hook equipment into, and a mesh pouch to keep stuff from flying around. And looking into the front, you do have power locks, power windows, and mirrors, which are located here in the middle because, of course, the doors are removable. But the mirrors stay attached to the vehicle when the doors are removed. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through all of your information. You've got your trip and fuel, off-road information, very important for a vehicle like this, navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. And then you have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. And moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls kind of spread out between the two sides. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth, so you have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general vehicle features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going with a full 360 view so you can see all around your vehicle. And then above that, you have some of your 4x4 controls here, such as your sway bar disconnect, so you can have some more articulation there. You have your front and rear locking differentials and traction control shutoff, hazards, and up here you have a mounting point for an accessory rail, so if you want to have like a GoPro mounted here so you can film your adventures, that is an option. Moving down, you have your media controls here with your camera view again, your auto start stop shut off, park assist sensor shut off, and then you have your climate controls here with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. Moving down further, you have this cubby area here with a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. Then you have your 4x4 controls with 4 auto as well, and hill descent assist, as well as your goat mode selector for normal, eco, slippery, mud ruts, sand, Baja, and rock crawl mode, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. And then to the right of that, you have one of your grab handles. You also have them on either side of the dash, so you can hold on when you're bumping around. And of course, the very important 7-speed manual transmission. So you have reverse 1 through 6, and then your crawl gear for when you're going slower off-road. And then you have a little cubby here, 2 cup holders, your window and mirror controls, of course, because once again the doors are removable, and your lockable center compartment / armrest with plenty of space inside, as well as a 12-volt power outlet so you can plug something in from there. Lockable, of course, because you can take the doors, roof off, and you want some more security then. And then before I forget, you do also have 6 upfitter switches up here, which can be wired up however you please. But I believe that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested in a relatively uncommon build of the Bronco, feel free to come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.